Good morning everyone, it's a lovely day, what looks like to be a lovely day anyway. But this is our view from our room. That there is Jurassic Park. If you go out the room, which I'll show you, then this square here you can see Hogwarts Castle. So this is our room, this is the family room, this is the lounge area. Tables, some chairs. We've got the breakfast bar here. Microwave. I've just bought some stuff from Walmart there. Coffee machine. Cupboards with a bin. And a decent sized fridge with all the essentials. Water and beer. There's Elliot, just brushing his teeth. Say hello. These are the bedrooms, 2 double beds, drawers down there with all our clothes in, got another TV in the living room, Elliot's cage, and then here is the walk-in closet, bit small but you don't need much in here, just got our nighttime wear in there, and your ironing board, and then got your toilet, which is 2.5, and then the bathroom with a bath. Is that exciting? Oh dear, Mummy's pushes broke. So we're going to Animal Kingdom today. So these are our passes, and I just want to show you the room keys as well, which I think are really cool. So they have your names on, which is obviously spelled wrong. Elliot's even get his own key, so when he stays out late, he can get in. And then ours. So we don't get to keep those. So not sure what time it is, but we're going to go out. Need to get a memory card for the camera, and then we're going to head over, meet Gaz and Gemma about 9:30 at Animal Kingdom. But as we go to the car, I'll show you the view for Universal, which is pretty cool. So we walk out our room, and this is the view. Universal Studios, got a bit of steam on our lens. If we walk further down here, this is the hotel by the way, it's Jurassic Park, see there, and then you can see the formerly known as Jude and Dragons in the background, and Hogwarts Castle, pretty cool. So we're going to go out now to Walmart. There's our car. A bit of a Chrysler minivan. So we're going to get a memory card, and then we'll see you at the Animal Kingdom.
Can you see it? 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 Welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom! Yay!
Here we go, the Animal Kingdom. Yeah. We're just about to head to the park, and she's forgot our purse. Let's just come back to the car to get it. And then we'll go in. It's about 9:30 and it is hot. Hey, pretty pally. Walking through to be a bug, some parrots there. Just walking around this way. So we went to guest relations and we got a pin badge. So I got that one. We got this one for Elliot. The Tree of Life. Try and zoom in on all of the animals. This is pretty cool.
Elliot's waiting in line to see Daisy Duck with his daddy. He's going to get her autograph. This is the first Disney character that he's going to meet. So he's just waiting patiently now. Safari Daisy Duck.
I can take your stroller right over here.
Oh, thank you.
Want to take it?
Both are going? No. Daisy's signing the autograph for Elliot. He's not crying yet, so that's all good. Very interested in why she's got his pen. Sorry about the construction noise you can hear in the background.
Look at that signature.
Ah, say cheese, Elliot.
I thought he was right over there.
Here we have a tamarin monkey. It's a nice enclosure here. So, are we going Discovery Trail or that away?
I think we go that way.
We're going that way. Yeah, so we've got a fast pass for Kilimanjaro at 11, so we're just going to hang around this area. We're in Africa and it feels like the heat of Africa as well. So I'm just going to walk and just knock someone over and have a look in the shop. Take a look at these apples, and elephants, monkey, Mickeys, cookies, all the cookies, all amazing. That's where we've just come from, those sweets with all that candy goodness and cookies, and this is the Harambee market. The theme in here is quite exceptional, so we're going to have a look in here. So we're now in the queue for a fast pass. Goes all the way up there and all the way back down there. What is the point in a fast pass? You've got a queue.
Species we can find, maybe like a black rhino. Unfortunately, black rhino very, very endangered. Less than 5,000 of them remain in the world today. They're being poached, which is illegally targeted and killed for their horns, which are made out of keratin. Now, keratin's just the same material our fingernails and our hair are made out of. If you take a look all the way down there on the left-hand side, between the rocks and the mud wall, in the upper left-hand corner, there is a black rhino laying down there. They weigh between 2,000 and 3,000 pounds each. They are solid. They still charge at 35 miles an hour despite their great size. Very solitary animals. Well, sometimes those greater kudu get confused with deer. They're actually the second tallest antelope in Africa. Now those there on the right are female because they don't have any horns. And the male's horns will reach about 71 inches in length, between 5 and 8 minutes at a time. Oh, now coming up here on the left, you do see some more hippos over there. Looks like a float of hippos the other side of the island. That's what you call a group of them. That's a float. Hippos are pretty cute, but they're also pretty dangerous. That's when they're down there, and we're up here. They're strictly herbivores. They only eat grasses and vegetation, but they will definitely defend their territory. They feel like it. The coloration they get on their backs during mating season.
Pelicans.
A little bit better look at this float of hippos past the island here to our left. Now the word hippopotamus is Greek for river horse, or closer, right. right hand side. We have to look over your right shoulder. Check out the horns of the Ancoli cattle, also called Watusi cattle. Those spectacular horns get to be about 6 feet in length and about 20 inches in circumference at the base. They might look heavy, but those horns are not solid. They're actually a hollow honeycomb structure with blood vessels on the inside. Use them as their own personal air conditioning system by sending blood up to the horns to cool it down, dispersing it back down through their bodies. And we have come upon a tower of giraffe, such as even they're not tall enough for. Dark in color so they don't get sunburned. They do stick them out so often during the day. Scoot up a little. Yeah, that's right. The male is taller than the female. And this coat is darker too. Simulates more dominance. So stop right about here for just a second.
It looks like they're right.
You see those? Elephants actually have one of the longest childhoods of all mammals. It's about 13 to 15 years, so almost behind fences. Helps to scare them away and go find food elsewhere, keeping those elephants safe from the farmers. Farmers can also
Look at all those. See back here? No. Back here.
Of all the flamingo species, and when they hatch, their feathers are addax. They are a desert antelope, and because of that, they can go almost their entire lives without drinking a single drop of water. And all the moisture that they need for the vegetation that they eat. Their coats actually get later in the summer, darker in the They're usually inactive about 18 to 20 hours during the day, saving up most of their energy for that nighttime hunt. Night vision not lions and cooperative prides. Females are the ones that do the majority of the hunting. The males hang back, watch the prides. They are the protectors. There's a white rhino all the way down there on the right-hand side. Others might want to stop back for dinner. Warthogs have some tiny little legs that can carry them pretty far, pretty fast. Back to the foot race with most other animals here. Warthogs are keeping up, running at about 35 miles an hour. Yeah, it's like the daytime they can be found alternating between eating and sleeping. They actually has.
So just from the Kilimanjaro safari, and we're going to find some gorillas in the Pangani forest. We have a baby tortoise. Is there anything in that one?
There appears to be a collection of wood.
Ah. A wood collection. What are these in here? Here. Study bureau. Gross. I think we've got another wood collection in here. Ah, there he is. So this is a Kenyan sandboa. Can't see its head.
This is the same one that was over in the corner. Oh, that far back here.
Can't climb that, man.
We're now in an aviary. This is my worst nightmare. Birds flying about. Oh my god. Nests and stuff in the trees. Can't really catch them on film, but there are lots of birds flying, and I don't like it. So I'm going to get out of here. Different large fish tank. I don't actually know what's supposed to be in here.
the wall. Watch it. See it pull that wall down and it curves and kind of comes out. It's pretty right in there.
Oh, it's a cool fish.
Is it underwater?
Maybe over there. So here we have some stripy horses. Still on the truck. I can't remember what it's called. So head up that way.
I think it was. The lion.
Here we have a gorilla. I think there's only the one. Can't see anymore. Upside down. So I've just done the 2 jungle trek sort of things and the safari. We're going to go to Harambe Market now, get some food. Then we'll head over. Just got a fast pass to one for Everest. We'll do Everest and the rapids. So let's see what we get to eat. Here's another view of the tree of life from the backside. Pretty cool carving. So we just had lunch and I forgot to show you what it was. So I had to queue for about 30 minutes to get served. We're on our way now to our fast pass. We're going to go on Everest. We're now walking into Asia, still as hot as Africa. Got the Everest and you've also got the river rapids in here, which we're going to do straight after. So we're going to try and get a impromptu fast pass for that. Here we are, Expedition Everest. It's a very cool ride. Hopefully they won't take my camera off me. Here we go, Expedition Everest. I now have concussion.
rides.
That was nice. So I just photos there, which was very good. I didn't read it before, but I forgot how intense that bit was in the actual mountain part itself. We're going to have to rapids now so we can get some fast passes. Because the queue at the moment is 45-minute wait. So Gemma now works for Disney. She is the official timer of the ride.
Yeah, add a bit of time on it. Add a bit of time on it.
So we could have got fast pass, but it was 3:20, so we decided to wait the queue, which is half an hour, which is not too bad. I'm not going to film this one, so we'll see how soaked we are when we get off. So we got off the River Rapids, and I got off with it quite lightly. Gemma, on the other hand, is drenched, so it's loose. Gaz is a bit damp. So it's pretty good, very short ride. It only took us 25 minutes. So just going to look for the mother and then we'll get some ice creams. And these are the ice creams, rock cones all around. Do you like your ice cream, Lucy?
It's a structurally sound.
I have it in mine in record timing. It's pretty normal. Lucy has to wait for it to melt. Excuse me, before she finishes it. So we're still on the hunt out for the mum and there. So we're heading back down to the rapids. There's some more of the chimps. This is the chimp village. So we've got that little skyline thing that goes across there. And we've got a little temple shack thing in the centre where they also around it.
Short legs.
We've ended our day at Animal Kingdom. We're heading back to the car. I'm probably going to go to the gym and Lucy's going to take Elliot to the pool. So see you when we get back to the hotel. Gym done, pool done, dressed up, well, change of clothes. We're going out now to City Walk, to Margaritaville and to Gaz and Jem. We're going to get the Cabana Bay bus and we should be quite excited about that because he's got this fascination with buses. So let's go and catch the bus. We are in the lobby and we've got a dancing minion. I have a picture of them earlier on. Pillow. Here's the retro bus that we're going to get to the park. And it's the bus stop. Pretty cool. Here we are at City Walk. There's a mass exodus of the park. A lot of congestion in the crossover. So here we are. That's the cinema, I think, over there. We're going down there to Margaritaville. Are you looking forward to margaritas? Lucy doesn't like margaritas. I'm not a big fan. We'll probably just have them too. Here's the mini golf that we're going to play one of the days. It looks very cool. Seaman is awesome. Invaded from planet Pud. Please. So this is all the new bars and stuff that's down here since the last time we came. Red oven pizza, and that's the one I want to try up there, which is called Cowfish. So here's the other part. So you've got Universal Store over there, the new Mexican restaurant, and Tajitos that we want to try. And this is City Walk. So we're on our way to Margaritaville, which is just there. So we'll see you in a bit once we've got a drink. Margaritaville, and look at those. Those are pictures. Quite some tranquil waters. I've had a cause. Boring. Good morning everyone. This is the next day, as the battery ran out last night, so I didn't get to film anything, and I did forget to charge it as well because we got back quite late and we had to get Elliot straight to bed. But it was a nice meal last night. Lucy was the only one that actually managed to eat everything. Everyone else had very full plates left, but we did scoff lots of nachos as well. So if you ever go to Margaritaville, it's worth it.